In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts and mark the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case, it will be Tim. Then select Edit, and here smoothly by tapping on Add Photo, you can personalize this contact. So you can either pick some emoji, you can add some picture that you can grab right now, or you can pick something from your gallery. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then you can crop it as only you want to. Let me do it this way, for example, tap on Choose. You can add some filter on it if you want to. Let me stick with this one, click on Done, then select Done again, and Done one more time. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to this contact, and anytime Tim will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.